Hi, I'm Danielle. I actually decided to have the camera on the other side of me today. Normally I have it over here, so we'll see how that goes. Today I'm going to try a little baking soda and apple cider vinegar to try and lighten this teal color out of my hair. So I'm gonna mix it all together and then I'm gonna rub it in and let it soak. Let it soak for probably an hour or maybe more if I could stand the smell. See how it goes. Okay, so I mixed baking soda and the apple cider vinegar. It's a lot more liquidy than I thought and it fizzed up like crazy. And now I have this weird notion that, isn't this how you make volcanoes in school? I don't know. But it doesn't look like the apple cider vinegar is really creating a paste like I thought. I mean, I guess maybe the longer I let it sit, I guess it kind of creates like a paste. I just wanted like a better way of getting this into my hair. Maybe I should have done the vitamin C. The vitamin C and apple cider vinegar. But whatever, I mix this up. It's going in my hair. It's going in my hair. So I know it's not gonna lather. I just want it to get coated on everything. It's a little gritty because of the baking soda and it's dripping all over me. I smell like a copper salad. Can you see that? Where's my shower cap? So I'm gonna clean up and I'm gonna let this sit on my hair and get back to work. Okay, it's been like 45 minutes. Let's take this out. Whew. It stinks. It's like really warm. So I feel like it must have been doing something. If I had to say, I guess it does look a little lighter to me. Should I leave it in longer? No. I'm gonna go shower and I'll show you what it looks like after. Oh, so it's just been air drying for about an hour. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry it. I do believe it lightened up a little bit. Who knows? Okay, I'm gonna blow dry it. Okay, so unlike the other times when I did the apple cider vinegar soak, my hair doesn't feel softer. I think this is the texture I typically get when I use the baking soda. So I don't think the baking soda is very good for my texture of hair. I always thought like I could add it to anything really and make it more of a paste so it'd be easier to apply, but the apple cider vinegar still wasn't easy to apply. And I did look it up vinegar and baking soda equal those volcanoes you used to make in school. That's why it puffs up. Anyway, besides it not feeling super great, and therefore it got really tangly as I was blow drying my hair, I do think it lightened quite a bit. Still teal, but it has lightened quite a bit. I do see more yellow tones in there, like it was before I, you know, after I bleached it and before I temporary dyed it. So yeah, I might do another apple cider vinegar rinse in a few days, but I don't think I'll ever mix it with baking soda again. Experiment sort of fail. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will be back with more videos.